we'll guide you through how to set up a follower goal in Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and make sure you are logged in. Once you're in, look for the dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that, and it will take you to the main settings area. From here, scroll down until you find the Widgets section and click on it. In the Widgets section, you'll see various options, but what you want to focus on is the Goals tab. Click on Goals and then choose Follower Goal from the list of options. Now, you'll be directed to a new page where you can customize your follower goal settings. You need to enter a name for your goal, which could be something like Road to 500 followers, or anything you prefer. Then, set the goal amount, which is the total number of followers you aim to reach. Next, you'll set the starting amount, which is your current follower count, and the end date for your goal to create a sense of urgency. Once you've filled in these details, you can customize the appearance of the goal to match your stream's aesthetic. You can change colors, fonts, and even the layout. After you're happy with the design, don't forget to click Save Settings so your goal is ready to display. Now, to get this follower goal to show up on your stream, go back to the Streamlabs main screen, and in the Sources section, click the plus button to add a new source. Choose Widgets and then select Follower Goal. Position it anywhere on your stream layout where you want it to be visible. And that's it. Your follower goal is now set up and ready to inspire your viewers to help you reach your target. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.